What's going on, CJ?
Hey man, today's episode of How F***ed Up is F***ed Up. That's F***ed up.
That's nice. What about this turbo? Let me see.
It's got some Earl on it.
What about
And
this?
there, some nice gasket.
Put the gasket in, but don't worry about putting the bolt through the hole.
As long as it's on there, that's all that matters.
Right, right. If it's
Doesn't
blocking the
have to be actually on
airflow,
there.
that's fine too. This is Rudy's car. We just pulled the motor, subframe and all. Gonna do a nice little build for him. We got Devin over here putting in the trailer brake.
What's up, guys? Quick and easy install.
It is quick and easy.
All right, guys,
Yo, yo, yo!
we're doing it.
We out and about. It is now 6:50.
6:50. I was at the shop at 5:45.
Good job, Dan. Looks like you'll be leaving the shop 45 minutes before I will today.
I doubt that. I'll get working on something. Next thing you know, there's 5 o'clock. But Tevin's shooting here. Brandon's out here shooting for Super Street. Super Screet. Man, we should just make a knockoff Super Street and call it Super Screet, and it's just a bunch of janky stuff.
Because they're from the streets.
Yeah. But man, this thing got the underglow on just because you can see it there. It's nice to see this thing.
Look at that shot there, buddy. This is like a perfect shot.
It's just so photogenic. There's not a bad angle of this car.
That's how we felt with the 34. Every single side of this car is like perfect. Right at, like, just look at it. Look at it. Like, look at it right here. Look at it right here. Look at that.
Ooh.
Like
Yeah,
crazy.
it's awesome.
Alright, we're almost at location number 2. I guess we're here, Dan's almost here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got a nice overpass. It's 29 right up there. Got us a sweet Chevy Venture right there. Look at that thing.
Oh, it's really cool. It's got a reflection in the water.
Yeah. The cool thing is if I submit these to Super Street, we only do one location, we can post the other ones.
Yeah, true. That'd be cool. Man, I really like this spot. Alright, I want to take some fun pictures. Alright, now we're moving on to some rollers. Just think of me as your GoPro, Tevin. An on-the-shoulder GoPro.
That's what I'm talking about, boy. You gotta follow me every move I make.
I'm gonna try.
I'm probably just gonna shoot him just coming through here at least halfway. I'm not gonna follow all the way through.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna follow him the whole way.
Alright.
I got a bug on my neck.
I'm going out this door, which means you know what's about to happen. Oh, Vic! Vic's here! Whoop! Shoop! 2 more cars.
On a tractor trailer.
Oh yeah.
We got cars, baby.
You got your wallet ready?
No, but I got Vaseline.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? Guys? Wow.
You got cars coming.
Oh, woo! Come take a look at this thing. I know that 4x4 fitment. You upgraded your rig.
A little bit.
What I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's a little bit bigger than the last truck you had, man. Yeah. So this one's not for sale either, guys. Sorry. It's already sold. Already sold. And then I believe this one, Chris said we've got from Japanese Classics. Going to do some work for them and get it good, and then send it back to him. I guess. I don't really know what's going on. I didn't even know we had cars coming. Oh, this one's got like, look at the flake on that. It's like straight flake.
Is there any clear on that?
See what I'm saying? It's like straight instead of like round. I don't know, you can't really see it, but.
It's never had fun.
Oh yeah?
You want to keep steering wheel. Pretty neat.
I got a steering wheel fetish now.
The keeper of steering wheels.
Yes. Out of the blue too. Like all of a sudden I start collecting steering wheels. I don't know why, but like I'm obsessed now. I'm looking on eBay and Yahoo Japan and all kinds of places looking at steering wheels.
Hey, Tevin, did you like shower this morning or what, yo? I see everyone just going like this, walking up around you and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're following Ed. Definitely a lot of them like that.
Sounds good. No smoke.
Yeah. Yo. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Will you just look at this? All these cars out here.